Discussing another important clinical correlation. Now you know that in bronchial asthma, clinical feature is expiratory wheeze. Now this condition is due to the bronchoconstriction which is seen in the asthma. Now one of the drug which is adenosine is a drug of choice in acute attack of supraventricular tachyarrhythmias and paroxysmal supraventricular tachyarrhythmias. One of the side effect of this drug is bronchoconstriction, so this drug is contraindicated in bronchial asthma patients.